Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, it's been a rainy weekend all across North Alabama. Several reports of flooding coming from around the area. There's a little bit of a light at the end of the tunnel, at least temporarily, in the sense that all of the heavy rain that we've been seeing today is starting to let up just a little bit. That being said, we still got rain falling in places that have been reporting flooding. But I want you to watch here that loop on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. This is from the past 3 hours. Watch all of those pockets of oranges, the yellows, continue to dissipate as all of this is shifting northeastward up into Tennessee. And I told you, though, it's still raining in the locations that have seen many reports of flooding. I've been counting each one of these icons here. That's a report of flooding coming from the National Weather Service. Over a dozen reports in Madison County, Jackson, Morgan, Limestone counties. We definitely saw big flooding issues yesterday around the Ardmore area, and then we were just continuing to see problems today with the rain still moving through. Let's get you a closer view of what's happening here between Athens, Huntsville, Madison, Decatur. This is just light rain. Some of the issues earlier today being reported along 72, around Paint Rock, around Gurley, and those locations we are just seeing light showers. The occasional pocket of more moderate rain is moving through. Again, all of this shifting northward, and this is what we've got from Lawrence County up back towards Decatur. Some of our rainfall rates have still been a little bit higher in Lawrence County, but it's not the 2 to 3 inches of rain an hour that we were seeing just earlier this afternoon. Now we're looking at rainfall rates about 3/4 of an inch an hour. Same thing goes in Lincoln County. That heavier rain continuing to track out of the area. A little bit of a break from Bellevue over to Flintville. Now, as we look at the areas still under the flash flood watch, it's all of North Alabama and surrounding areas. This has been extended all the way through 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and that just means that conditions are primed and ready for flash flooding to occur. This is what it looks like across North Alabama. Believe it or not, Muscle Shoals, we are seeing some blue sky right now. 76 degrees our current temperature, socked in with cloud cover, still in Huntsville. Raindrops on our camera lens indicator, and in Gunnersville, lots of cloud cover there as well. Temperatures stuck in the 70s today because of the clouds and the rain. And through tonight, while we are getting a little bit of a break right now, look at the rain chances start to increase as we get past midnight into early tomorrow morning. 60% chance for showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder to start our day tomorrow. And that's the beginning of another round of heavy rain and another round of concern when it comes to flooding. Here's future radar through the rest of this evening. We'll stop this at 8 o'clock. I told you we're getting a little bit of a break. This data source shows that. Past this point in time, here's 10 o'clock. Break continues, but keep your eyes off towards the southeast here. That's the next round of rain coming in towards our eastern counties. Marshall and DeKalb counties getting that first by 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. You may hear some raindrops on your roof. And then as we get into early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., another round of heavy rain moving up from the south, continuing through our morning drive. That's 8 o'clock all the way through lunchtime. Perhaps another little bit of a break in the action, but we've still got rain off and on through the afternoon. That's 3 o'clock through the evening drive at 6 o'clock, and another little break here by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. The flash flood risk for tomorrow. We've been talking about that watch that's still in effect, really higher along and east of I-65. It's a slight risk for flash flooding. Definitely a concern that continues for us. So your Monday morning commute, I'm concerned about ponding on the roads, standing water once again, leftover debris from where we've seen flooding today. Perhaps that water has already receded, and then reduced visibility in locations that are getting the heaviest rain. So take it easy on the roads tomorrow morning. From start to finish, the rain is going to be really a feature in our forecast tomorrow. But I promise it's going to start getting better. There's a cold front coming through. This is Tuesday, now Tuesday night at 10 o'clock. Once that front passes, the rain finally starts to move out and things are nearly perfect by the next few days. So let's go ahead and get you a view here of that 7-day forecast, because I can promise you it is looking pretty good once we get into around Wednesday into Thursday. Look what happens. 72 behind the front on Wednesday, 52 Thursday morning, nothing but sunshine, and finally a chance to dry out as we get closer to the weekend. You can always listen for your forecast, Fun 92.7.